Challenges faced in Indian agriculture. In India, agriculture is the backbone of the country, but it is facing many challenges these days. Some of them were capital, technology, agriculture indebtedness, knowledge, and natural calamities. Natural calamities is not a man-made thing, but it has a great effect in agriculture. Now we would go in detail about some of them. Capital. Capital is nothing but investment made by the farmer to purchase seeds, fertilizers, and technology. Technology in the sense tractors, field plows, etc. But in India, many farmers could not buy them because many were poor. In India, poor farmers were more in number than rich farmers. The next is about technology. Technology plays a major role in agriculture because with the use of technology, a farmer can get more yield and more profit, and this profit is used to invest in next agriculture year. And the next is about knowledge. The farmer must have a basic knowledge about what crop should be grown in which soil, and he also must be aware that the soil must be sent for soil testing for every agriculture year. But now, with the present situation, the farmer is getting less amount from when the crop is sold. This amount he could not get any profit because these days wages of laborers were increased and the price of seeds were increased, fertilizers were increased, etc. And the next is about agricultural indebtedness. Agricultural indebtedness is caused due to at the start of agriculture year, the farmer takes some amount which is loan from landlords or banks, etc. But farmer could not get amount if it is sown at a low cost. That is, the crop is sown at a low cost, so he falls into agriculture indebtedness. With this, a farmer will come to the city and work as a labor. We are losing a great farmer there, and no one can replace that post. Due to this, some are leaving agriculture, and some are moving to towns, and some are even are losing their lives. Due to this, the count of farmers' deaths, that is suicides, were increased much in 2012-13 years. But now, according to a recent survey, the government said that it has come to control. But still the farmers are doing suicides due to this agricultural indebtedness. So the government should look forward about this problem and give loans at a low rate of interest and make farmers happy and make the country happy. Thank you.